Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Loftie smart alarm clock is probably one of the most innovative and thoughtfully designed bedside companions available today, aiming to revolutionize your mornings and evenings with its unique blend of smart features and wellness-focused functionalities. This isn't just an alarm clock, it's a holistic sleep and wake-up system engineered to help you disconnect from digital distractions and reconnect with a more peaceful sleep routine, offering a refreshing alternative to the harsh buzzes and constant notifications of traditional alarm clocks and smartphones. Prepare to discover how this elegant device can transform your daily rhythm, promoting better sleep hygiene and a more mindful start to your day. Number 5. DreamSky Small Digital Alarm Clock. This digital alarm clock features a large, illuminated LED display with jumbo digits. You can easily adjust the brightness to your preference, ensuring it's never too bright or too dim. Customize your wake-up experience with an adjustable alarm sound. Choose your preferred volume level and enjoy the convenience of a 9-minute snooze function. Charge your devices directly from the clock with the built-in USB port. It's a handy way to keep your smartphone or other electronics powered up without needing an extra outlet. Setting the time and alarm is a breeze with its intuitive buttons. This clock is designed for ease of use, making it perfect for everyone, including kids and seniors. It's powered by an adapter for normal performance, but also includes battery backup to save your settings during power outages. Please note, it requires the adapter for the screen and alarm to function. What we like. This clock offers a large, easy-to-read display with adjustable brightness, perfect for those who struggle with small numbers or bright lights at night. If you need a straightforward, reliable alarm with the added convenience of charging your phone, this is a great choice. It's ideal for seniors or anyone prioritizing simplicity and functionality. What people say. The Loftie clock has a gentle wake-up feature that gradually increases light and sound, mimicking a sunrise. It offers a variety of calming soundscapes, including nature sounds and white noise, to help with sleep. The clock includes guided meditations and breathing exercises, accessible directly from the device. Number 4. JALL Full-Screen Wake-Up Light Alarm Clock. Wake up naturally with a simulated sunrise that gradually brightens over 10 to 60 minutes. This full-screen light ensures a gentle awakening, perfect for heavy sleepers and children. Set up to 2 separate alarms for different routines like weekdays or weekends. Enjoy a customizable snooze option for those extra few minutes of sleep. Connect seamlessly via Bluetooth to automatically sync the time from your phone. Forget about manual time adjustments and always have the correct time displayed. Drift off to sleep with 25 calming natural sounds and white noise options, with a timer for automatic shut-off. You can also tune into your favorite FM radio stations. Set the mood with 17 different lighting effects, including solid colors and dynamic RGB options. It even features a music rhythm mode that syncs lights to your tunes. Enjoy crisp, rich audio from the built-in 5W Bluetooth speaker. Stream music from your phone for an enhanced listening experience. With intuitive controls, setting it up is a breeze. It makes a functional and aesthetic addition to any bedroom, and a wonderful gift for anyone. What we like. Experience a gentle wake-up with its full-screen sunrise simulation, mimicking natural dawn to ease you out of sleep. If you're a heavy sleeper or dislike jarring alarms, this is for you. Its array of natural sounds and Bluetooth speaker also make it a versatile bedside companion for relaxation and entertainment. What people say. The Loftie clock has a soft, warm light that is fully dimmable and can be turned off completely. It has a built-in sound machine with a variety of calming sounds, including nature sounds and white noise. The clock also offers guided meditations and breathing exercises, which are great for winding down before sleep. Number 3. Emerson Smartset Alarm Clock Radio ER100301. Introducing the Emerson Smartset Alarm Clock Radio, your all-in-one bedside companion. It seamlessly blends modern technology with user-friendly features for your convenience. Enjoy effortless pairing and enhanced audio streaming with Bluetooth version 4.1. Connect your devices wirelessly and immerse yourself in rich sound. Stay powered on the go with a convenient USB output for mobile charging. Plus, a backup battery ensures your time and alarm settings are always intact. Experience the innovation of our patented automatic time setting system. It instantly syncs the year, month, date, day, and time upon plug-in and after power interruptions. Easily read the 1.4-inch cyan LED clock display with dimmer control for ideal brightness. A soft blue night light enhances usability, making it perfect for any bedroom. Tailor your alarms to your schedule, choosing weekdays, weekends, or all 7 days. Select your preferred FM station or opt for a buzzer to start your day. What we like. Never worry about setting the time again with its patented automatic time setting system that syncs instantly. If you value effortless setup and reliable timekeeping, this is the one. Its Bluetooth speaker and USB charging port add modern convenience for a streamlined bedside experience. What people say. The Loftie clock has a soft, warm light that is pleasant for waking up. It offers a variety of soothing sounds, including nature sounds and white noise, to help you fall asleep. The clock has a simple and intuitive interface, making it easy to set alarms and adjust settings. Number 2. Hatch Restore 2, Putty. Introducing the Hatch Restore 2, the latest innovation in sleep technology. This device is designed to help you wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Its gentle wake-up light mimics the sunrise, easing you into your day naturally. The soothing soundscapes create a tranquil environment for a restful night's sleep. Control it easily with the companion app, customizing your wake-up and wind-down routines. It's the perfect addition to any bedroom for a more peaceful sleep experience. The soft putty color complements any decor, blending seamlessly into your space. Its compact design makes it ideal for bedside tables. Start your day feeling your best with the Hatch Restore 2. Experience the difference a truly restorative sleep can make. What we like. This device offers a holistic approach to sleep and wake routines, integrating light, sound, and smart technology. If you're looking to optimize your sleep environment and wake up feeling refreshed through personalized routines, this is an excellent investment. It's designed for those who want to take control of their sleep hygiene. What people say. The Loftie clock has a clean, modern design that looks great on a nightstand. It offers a variety of soothing sounds, including nature sounds and white noise, to help you relax and fall asleep. The alarm feature is gentle and customizable, with a gradual wake-up light that mimics a sunrise. Number 1. MikoDream Kids Alarm Clock. Introducing the MikoDream Kids Alarm Clock, designed with fun and functionality in mind for your little ones. It's the perfect companion to help them wake up and wind down. Set up to 2 alarms with a choice of 5 different ringtones and 4 volume levels. Your child can personalize their wake-up experience to their liking. Inspired by puppies, this cute clock displays charming expressions when activated. It adds a playful element to waking up, making mornings more enjoyable. The adjustable brightness night light provides a warm glow, perfect for bedtime. It can be activated by sound, helping children feel secure and less afraid of the dark. Gently wake up with the snooze function. A simple shake activates a 5-minute delay, allowing for a more comfortable start to the day. With its novel design and child-friendly features, this clock makes an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, and any special occasion. It's a present that brings happiness. What we like. Designed with a playful, cute emoji face, this clock adds a fun element to a child's room. If you're looking for an engaging alarm for kids that makes waking up more enjoyable, this is a fantastic option. Its voice-activated night light and adjustable settings cater to children's needs and preferences. What people say. The Loftie clock has a great design and is easy to set up. It has a variety of sound options and a pleasant wake-up light. The smart features, like guided meditation and sleep stories, are a nice addition. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.